Hi everyone, and welcome to this edition of News at National. I'm Fred Dorshow. This month we're talking about some of the power supply challenges that you face, and we're highlighting a few of the power management products from National Semiconductor that can help solve those challenges. As design engineers, you know what it's like to deal with a wide range of difficulties when it comes to power supplies, whether it's energy costs, environmental pressures, or varying sources and levels of power. Today, more power supply design engineers are turning to switching regulators for higher conversion efficiency. And that need for higher conversion efficiency can span from the primary regulator in a distributed power architecture to the points of load operating off of intermediate voltage rails. So these types of requirements are driving you and other power supply designers to look for specialized ICs to create sophisticated power supplies. For example, in a distributed power architecture, you might have an intermediate bus voltage that is regulated, with the points of load being driven by an isolated, unregulated supply. The combination of National's LM5116 and LM5035 provide one such solution. The LM5116 is a new synchronous controller with programmable current limit, thermal shutdown, soft start, and undervoltage lockout, or UVLO. It's the industry's first 6-volt to 100-volt current mode buck controller, and it's a good fit for telecommunications, automotive, and industrial control applications. The LM5116 utilizes emulated current mode control to achieve reduced on times on the order of 80 nanoseconds. That allows high step-down ratios, for example, 20:1, enabling a 100-volt input signal to be reliably stepped down to 5 volts while operating at 500 kilohertz, which is truly an industry first. Now, many of the challenges for power designers involve saving space. And when designing small form factor, high performance DC to DC power converters, National's LM5035 half-bridge controller gate driver is an excellent solution. The LM5035 integrates a full-featured voltage mode pulse width modulation controller and both high and low side gate drivers to complete the half-bridge power solution. The LM5035 is the industry's only half-bridge controller gate driver capable of operating with an input voltage up to 100 volts, and it's working well for designers everywhere. Over the past year, National Semiconductor has truly enhanced its family of synchronous controllers, allowing design engineers to manage the complex power requirements of ASICs, DSPs, and FPGAs. You can see some great examples of reference designs on National's FPGA solution website. Just go to xilinx.national.com and altera.national.com and check them out. There you can get a paper selection guide, as well as an offline downloadable selection tool. With this tool, you can enter your specific design parameters and receive a suggested power management solution. For those designers who need to drive high current points of load at high efficiency and high accuracy, National offers a pair of solutions in the LM2747 and the LM3743 synchronous controllers. For example, in another type of distributed power architecture, you might have an unregulated intermediate bus voltage, with the points of load being driven by a regulated supply. In this case, the regulated supply can be created using the LM2747 and LM3743 combination. With inputs of 14 volts and 5 volts, these high-performance synchronous controllers are powering high-current digital cores that require loads up to 25 amps. The features of these products include a 1% high-precision output voltage accuracy, soft start, tracking, and frequency synchronization. The LM2747 and LM3743 are popular solutions in data communication applications, such as servers, routers, and storage area networks. One of the challenges that can also face power supply designers is the sheer complexity of a power design. To keep design simple, National offers a pair of easy-to-use controllers, the LM1770 and 1771. Each of these Synchronous controllers provides a highly efficient, simple to design solution, ideal for space-constrained applications like wireless cards, servers, multimedia set-top boxes, and cable modems. The LM1770 and 1771 both utilize a constant on-time control scheme, allowing for a simple design that's free of compensation components. Along with a minimal component count, the tiny 5 and 6 pin packaging saves board space as well. And it's even easier to design your power supply with the LM1770 using National's exclusive WebBench online design tool. All across National's line of power management products, you can benefit from features like voltage tracking, tight regulation accuracy, hot swap protection, programmable current limit, and exposed pad packages for thermal management, making sure that you have the complete tool set to meet the demanding requirements of your power supply. Well, that's it for this edition of News at National. We'll see you again next time.